Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this small doily. It's not large, it's small, depending on the thickness of the yarn you're going to use and the hook. It's very cute as you can see, and it is very easy to make. Hope that you manage to make it. So we start by making 10 chains. So you make 10 chains, you go in the first chain here, and you close it with a slip stitch. We're going to start the first row. We make 3 chains that serve as a treble, and we're going to make 35 double crochet. So 3 chains and 35 double crochet, and with the 3 chains at the beginning, you're going to have 36 because the 3 chains at the beginning serve as a double crochet. So continue making 35 double crochet, and with the 3 chains, those make 36 in all. The 36 are ready. We go in the first chain here where we started, and we close it with a slip stitch. And the first row is ready, as you can see. Now we're going to start the second row. We start with 4 chains. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The first 3 chains serve as a double crochet and 1 chain to separate. Now we skip 1 double crochet. We skip 1, we go on the next one, and we make a double crochet. We make a chain. We skip another double crochet, we go on the next one, and we make a double crochet. Another chain, we skip a double crochet, we go on the next one, and we make another double crochet. And that's how we're going to do all the row. You make a chain, skip a double crochet, and you make a double crochet. And you have to finish with 18 double crochet. 18 double crochet with a chain, always separating them. The row is ready, and we finished with a slip stitch in the first chain. We'll start the next one. We go here. We make 3 chains, and we're going to make another 3 double crochet with the 4 chains. 1, 2 and 3. So with the 3 chains we have 4. We go in the next space, and we're going to make another 4 double crochet. We have to make 4 double crochet in each space that we have. Those are 3 and 4. So you continue making 4 double crochet in each space that you have, all around like that, making 4 double crochet in each space that you have. Those are 3 and 4. And you continue the row like that. So this row is ready too, as you can see. We finished with a slip stitch here in the chain. Now we're going to start the next row. We're going to make 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3. We go on the next 3 double crochet. So we go in the first one. We have the first group of 4. We make a double crochet. You leave the last stitch on the hook. You go on the next one, double crochet, leave the last stitch on the hook. Go on the next one, double crochet, and then you pull them together. You pull them together. Now 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We go on the next 4 here, and we're going to do the same. The next 4 double crochet. We make a double crochet, leave it on the hook. We go on the next one, double crochet, leave it on the hook. On the next one, double crochet, leave it on the hook. And on the last one, you take a double crochet, and then you pull them, the 4 together. And you continue all the row like that. You make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 chains. You go on the next one, the next group of 4. You make 4 trebles. You leave the last stitch on the hook. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you pull them together, and you continue all the row like that. 5 chains, 4 double crochet, you pull them out together, all the row like that. So the row is ready. As you can see, this row we're going to finish it differently. We're going to make 2 chains. So make 2 chains. This is how we're going to finish the row. So 2 chains, and we're going to make a double crochet here. You put the hook here, and we finish with a double crochet. And this is the row ready like that. We finished it like that. We start the next row. We make a chain, and we make a single crochet in the same place here. Now we make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We go here and we make a single crochet. In the first space we find, and we make a single crochet. Another 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We go in the next space and we make another single crochet. And we're going to continue this row like that. You make 5 chains, always making 5 chains, and a single crochet in the space you find here. So 5 chains, single crochet, 5 chains, single crochet, all around. So the row is ready. We're going to finish it with 2 chains. Then you go here where we started, and we finish with a double crochet, just like we finished the row before, like that. And this row is ready too. We start the next row. We make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The first 3 chains serve as a double crochet, and the 1 chain to separate. And we make a double crochet in the same place. Now 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We go in the next space here, and we're going to do the same. We make a double crochet, a chain, and another double crochet in the same place. Another 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We go in the next space. We make a double crochet, a chain, and another double crochet in the same place. And we continue the row like that. You make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You go in the next space. You make a double crochet, a chain, and another double crochet, and you continue the row like that. 5 chains, double crochet, chain, double crochet, 5 chains, double crochet, chain, double crochet, all around. You continue making all around. So the row is ready. We finished with a slip stitch here in the first chains. Here we finished with 5 chains and a slip stitch. We go here in the middle with a slip stitch. Now we make 3 chains. These 3 chains serve as a double crochet. 3 chains. Now we're going to work here in the next space here. So we're going to make a double crochet. We make 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. We go here in the first here, and we close it with a slip stitch. We make another double crochet. In all we have to have 6 in the same place. Double crochet, 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. We go here, we close it with a slip stitch. So those are 2. We make another one. This is the third one. We have to make 6, as I told you. Another 3 chains. We go here and we close it with a slip stitch. So those are 3. We make another one, double crochet, 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. We go here, slip stitch, another double crochet, those are 4, another double crochet, another 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. We go here, we close it with a slip stitch and another double crochet. In all we have to have 6. So those here we have 6. Now we go here where we made the 1 chain and we make a double crochet. Where we made that 1 chain we make a double crochet. Again we arrived here and we're going to do the same. So you're going to make 6, that is 1, 3 chains. You go here and you make a slip stitch, 1. You make another double crochet, 3 chains. You go here and you make a slip stitch. The next one, double crochet, another 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. We go here and we make a slip stitch, another double crochet, another 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. We go here, we make a slip stitch. So there we have 4, we make another one, 5, another 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. We go here and we make a slip stitch. The last one we make a double crochet. And those there we have another 6. Now we go here in the middle and we make a double crochet. And you continue all the row like that. You make 6 and those 3 chains, and then where we have the chain, the 1 chain, you make a double crochet all around like that. And this is the final result, how the doily came. You can make it also as a coaster. It's not large, it's a small doily depending on the yarn that you're going to use, as I told you before. It's very cute, as you have seen, and it was not at all difficult to make. Hope that you try and make it. Subscribe please if you still haven't subscribed to my channel for more videos. Hope that you try and make it. Bye for now.